for a family-friendly neighborhood, somewhere where your kids can play outside and you won't be worrying about them, somewhere where they have a lot of parks and where they can burn off all that extra energy, but you also need to come up to a nice home as well, right? Something with 4 bedrooms, a dedicated office space. Well, guess what? I've got the perfect listing for you. I told you guys this is going to be the perfect house for you guys. Guess what? My contact information is on the screen right now. I encourage you guys to call me. I would love to show you this house in person. And until next time, guys, remember one thing: get Kabani, get sold.